Hello everyone. Recently, I factory reset my phone and I lost my Oracle Cloud Mobile Authenticator, and therefore I was not able to log in my Oracle account Cloud anymore, and also I wasn't able to use a bypass code because I didn't configure it. So I stay without options. Uh, Probably if you are an employee of a big company, which is a partner of Oracle, you only needs to go with your administrator, or you can open a ticket with the Oracle support. But for us who use who uses Oracle Free Tire, we need to do some steps difference. Uh, so how I did this issue resolved? How I got this issue resolved? Um, Searching in Google, I found these steps thanks to this guy. Uh, we need to go to oracle.com/corporate/contact. Uh, Here we need to click on open live chat. Make sure you get prepared these attributes related to your Oracle Cloud registration, your email address, your tenant name. Um, Looks like this. Your phone number. Make sure you have ready this part of your URL to log in. Okay. Uh, your phone number and the last four digits of your credit card plus expiry date. These attributes are important, are related to your registration to Oracle Cloud. Um, you will need to click on this link, oracle.com/corporate/contact, chat with Oracle Sales, open a live chat, uh, get support. Uh, in case of us, we use Oracle Free Tie, select always free, load support chat. Let me check. Load support chat. Yes, close support chat. And here we need to introduce your our country. Make sure it's the country which you registered in Oracle Cloud, and the email address related to your registration. Uh, eh, the next steps I will not show you, but will. Here is I will show you. There are here. Uh, After introduce that attributes, start the chat, select password reset or can sign in. The chat maybe will suggest you some support articles, but we want to talk with a human who can help us. So we will need to select no. Click chat with live agent. Uh, Probably this guy will attend very fast. So make sure you have these attributes ready. Okay. And that's it. I posted the steps here in this Oracle form too. Sorry if my English sounds no natural. I am not a native English speaker. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, you can consider give me your powerful like and subscribe to this channel. And you can write down a question in the comments, right? Bye.